Okay, I just want to do a quick video here of showing how to undo the solder if you were to make mistakes. This will give you some more confidence when actually soldering. I can show you how to actually undo this. Like if you see this right here, that is kind of messed up right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and basically fix that to start over again. The first thing I'm going to do is just hit it with some heat so that the solder melts and those cords come right off. This just shows you, I mean, once you do it, it's not permanent. I mean, you can go back and fix stuff if you need to. So I just got rid of the wires, and then there's a bunch of excess solder on there that I want to remove. So I just got this desoldering braid. If you take this, and this will actually, when you melt the solder, it will be absorbed into this braid. So you can pull solder off of the leads here. Put it, apply some heat, it melts into it, and up comes the solder. And you go a little further down. See how it absorbed on that side? Now this is spent, pretty much spent right here. I wonder if this is cold enough to touch yet. Oh, still pretty warm. But you can see the solder absorbed all the way up to like right where that's bending. So even though this looks good, you should probably start way up here now for that second one so that it doesn't have any solder in the braid to absorb. Push it down, apply the heat so that the solder melts. It absorbed it. Put some heat on there. Clean those up a little bit. So this just shows you when if you're a beginner like I am, that if you make it look like crap, which I did, it's not the end of the world. You can pull the solder back off of the board and try again, just like I'm doing now. See, I pulled off that big glob of solder there. Do it with that other one. Not wanting to melt there. There, it melts. And pull it off there. Then you clean it up a little bit by just putting some heat so it melts. All that solder kind of forms together. And then you can basically start over and try it again. It leaves each time you do it more and more melted marks on the plastic, but that should be fine. Worst case scenario, Lumineer does offer these separately. So if you did it screwed up so much, you can buy just these pieces to go again, but it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to redo some of this stuff up, and we'll continue on from here.